شکاگو میں 14 اگست کے پروگرام.
somber 76 Independence Day on August 14th, and the political instability and the cost of living crisis.
We are protesting with a positive plan. And that's in women. Not a plan with against black students and children. It is one day to enter the game.
On behalf of our people,
we made a job of money.
we send warm wishes to the people of Pakistan as they celebrate their 75th independence. In addition to the 75th year of Islam, diplomatic relations, the global city,
مجھے پورا ہے بجائے ایک مرتبہ ہلکے سے ہاں ہاں کیا حال ہے بیٹا خیریت ٹھیک ہے اللہ کا شکر یہ محمود بھائی ہیں 14 اگست کے سیلیبریٹ شکاگو نارتھ شکاگو ایک سبق ہے.
اسلم بھائی کے ساتھ بہت ٹائم گزرا ہے ہمارا, بڑی خوشی ہوئی مل کے ایسے موقع پہ ملاقات ہو جاتی ہے تو بڑی خوشی کی بات ہے.
اور یہاں آپ آئے ہوئے ہیں
جی ہاں,
کتنی دیر سے آئے ہوئے ہیں؟
ہمیں 1 گھنٹہ ہو گیا.
کہاں سے آئے ہیں آپ؟
شامبر سے.
شامبر بہت دور سبق ہے مگر یہ پاکستان سے محبت کرتے ہیں. یہ اس کو کہتے ہیں اوورسیز پاکستانی. اوورسیز پاکستانی پاکستان سے بے انتہا محبت کرتے ہیں.
ہاں جی ہاں, وہ وہاں رہتے ہوئے شاید قدر نہیں ہے. جب دنیا باہر نکلتی ہے دیکھتی ہے تو آپ کو اپنی مٹی آپ کی زمین اپنی یاد آتی ہے, اپنے لوگ یاد آتے ہیں. اور وہی چیز جو ہے کھینچ کے لاتے ہیں. بار بار پاکستان میں چلے جاتے ہیں کہ بھائی اپنا کلچر ہے, اپنی زمین ہے, اپنے لوگ ہیں, سمجھے نا, مدر لینڈ ہے, تو وہ ہمیشہ یاد رہتی ہے. چاہے آپ کہیں بھی چلے آئے, انگلینڈ چلے آئے, لندن چلے آئے, سمجھے نا, امریکہ آ جائے, تو لوگ اسی طرح ہی جاتے ہیں.
اس سے یہ ثابت ہوا کہ آپ لوگ ہم لوگوں کو کچھ بھی سمجھیں مگر ہم لوگ پاکستان سے اتنی ہی محبت کرتے ہیں جیسے ایک محب وطن کو کرنا چاہیے. ہم لوگوں کو وداؤٹ اینی ڈسکرمنیشن یہاں فارچونیٹلی کوئی فساد یا تفرقہ نہیں ہے. نو یہاں ایک ہے پاکستان, بلکہ بہت سارے نان مسلم بھی ہمیں ملے. ہم ہیں پاکستان, لہذا پاکستانی ڈے یہاں ہم
محمود
لہذا محمود بھائی کے ساتھ ہم منا رہے ہیں. یہاں دیکھیے پنڈال میں اچھے خاصے لوگ ہیں,
اچھے لوگ.
اور اگر کوئی پاکستانی ہو تو محمود بھائی آپ کوئی پیغام دینا چاہیں تو آپ چاہیں کہ
وہی پوچھ رہے ہیں, سب کے لیے دعا کریں, آپس میں اتحاد پیدا کریں, رنجشیں نہیں ہو, لوگوں میں مس انڈرسٹینڈنگ بڑھ گئی ہے, سیاسی جھگڑوں کو ذاتی جھگڑوں میں نہ بولیں, اور سیاسی جھگڑے اپنی جگہ ہیں, لیکن آپ بینگ اے مسلم, بینگ اے پاکستانی, یو ہیو ٹو لو ایچ ادر, یہ ویری امپورٹنٹ ہے اور یہ بڑی اہم بات ہے.
جزاک اللہ خیر میرے بھائی.
چلیے آپ ان کو ریکارڈنگ کر لی, ریلیز تو نہیں کریں گے آپ؟
But we're about to start our program, so I would really appreciate it if everybody can find a seat or close to a seat, share a seat, but let's settle down. We're going to begin our program with a recitation rendered by So please give this recitation the courtesy of listening. Extend the courtesy of listening. Be respectful.
Can you please keep the mic closer when you talk? Or you can hold it in your hand.
السلام علیکم ورحمۃ اللہ وبرکاتہ. میری سماوات و ما فی الارض وان تبدوا ما فی انفسکم او یحاسبکم به الله فیغفر من یشاء ویعذب من یشاء واللہ علی کل شیء قدیر. آمن الرسول بما انزل الیہ من ربہ والمؤمنون كل آمن بالله وملائكته وكتبه ورسله لا نفرق بين أحد من رسله وقالوا سمعنا وأطعنا غفرانك ربنا وإليك المصير. لا يكلف الله نفسا إلا وسعها ما كسبت وعليها ما اكتسبت. ربنا لا تؤاخذنا إن نسينا وأخطأنا ربنا ولا تحمل علينا إصرا كما حملته على الذين من قبلنا ربنا ولا تحملنا ما لا طاقة لنا به واعف عنا واغفر لنا وارحمنا أنت مولانا فانصرنا على القوم الكافرين.
استاد زاہد بھائی بھی آئے ہیں.
How are you? کیسے ہو؟ زاہد بھائی کا آپریشن ہوا وہ تو نہیں آیا.
آپریشن کس چیز کا؟
پتھری کا کل ہوا ہے. گھر تو آ گئے ہوں, ان ہوم گھر آ گئے ہوں.
آپ سب کو جشن آزادی بہت بہت مبارک ہو. And can I have a Pakistan Zindabad? Pakistan!
زندہ-باد.
One more time. That's good. Pakistan!
زندہ-باد.
Very good. Good evening and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Khaled Khan and I'm honored to be your MC this evening, in this very windy evening. A hearty and warm welcome to you all on behalf of CARE and CARE organization.
کیا یہ پتنگ باز ہے بھیا ہمارے.
And our resolve and tenacity will certainly put to the test. And here we are at the end of the tunnel, and once again in light. And light always prevails over darkness. Today, we Pakistanis mark 76 years as a free and independent nation, and that is indeed a reason for celebration. Tonight, we come together to commemorate, appreciate, and celebrate ourselves, our freedom, our nation, and our country without political, linguistic, economic, and social barriers. Tonight, we are a united people, as it was intended at the inception of Pakistan, a free and sovereign nation for all. Pakistani American community is vibrant, productive, proactive, and an integral piece of the American mosaic. We as a community are active participants and contributors in all spheres of civic life, including business, education, healthcare, just to name a few. As we enjoy the liberty, prosperity, and opportunities of our adopted home, we must never forget our roots, for only strong roots yield strong trees and abundant fruits. It is now my pleasure to present to you the President of Care and Cure, Ms. Manoj Chakar. Ms. Manoj Chakar is a businesswoman, a contributing member of the South Asian community. She gives back to the community through Care and Cure organization, meeting individual needs at a grassroots level. So I would like Ms. Manoj Chakar to say a few words. At this time, I would like to invite, and it's my honor and privilege, to introduce the Honorable Tariq Karim, the Consul General of Pakistan. Please give a very warm welcome to the Honorable Tariq Karim. And participate. At this time, I would like to invite, and it's my honor and privilege, to introduce the Honorable Tariq Karim, the Consul General of Pakistan. Please give a very warm welcome to the Honorable Tariq Karim.
Members of the Pakistani American community, organizers of today's events, everyone, good evening. It is my great pleasure to join you in the Pakistan's Independence Day celebration, and I would particularly like to recognize the efforts of Mr. Asif and his colleagues for organizing this mega event and gathering so many people from different sections of the society. Ladies and gentlemen, as you know, this is a great day in the history of Pakistan. We are celebrating the 76th anniversary of Pakistan's independence. August 14 has a special place in the hearts of every Pakistani, and it reminds us the countless sacrifices and epic democratic struggle of our founding fathers and their workers who fought for their freedom, and they achieved a separate homeland for the Muslims of subcontinent. We pay homage by remembering all those sacrifices, and when we celebrate, we also reflect on the achievements that Pakistan made in the last 76 years. We confronted with many natural disasters, conflicts, and wars, but the nation emerged always as stronger with their resilience and courage. Pakistan, as you know, enjoys a very important geostrategic location. Its human and natural resources, its demographic dividends, its democratic traditions, and liberal investment policies makes it a very important business destination in the world. And I would also encourage you to visit Pakistan because it presents so many tourist destinations. Its peaks, its majestic peaks and mountains, rich cultural heritage dates back to the Mehrgar civilization of 7,000 years ago. Then we have the Indus Valley civilizations. There is the Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. In the history of Pakistan, we are celebrating the 76th anniversary of Pakistan's independence. August 14 has a special place in the hearts of every Pakistani. And it reminds us the countless sacrifices and epic democratic struggle of our founding fathers and their workers who fought for their freedom, and they achieved a separate homeland for the Muslims of subcontinent. We pay homage by remembering all those sacrifices, and when we celebrate, we also reflect on the achievements that Pakistan made in the last 76 years. We confronted with many natural disasters, conflicts, and wars, but the nation emerged always as stronger with their resilience and courage. Pakistan, as you know, enjoys a very important geostrategic location. Its human and natural resources, its demographic dividends, its democratic traditions, and liberal investment policies makes it a very important business destination in the world. And I would also encourage you to visit Pakistan because it presents so many tourist destinations. Its peaks, its majestic peaks and mountains, rich cultural heritage dates back to the Mehrgar civilization of 7,000 years ago. Then we have the Indus Valley civilizations. There is the Harappa and Mohenjo-daro, and so many to see. The hospitality of the people of Pakistan. So we have very easy visa procedures. I would encourage all of you to visit Pakistan. Pakistan is facing certain challenges, macroeconomic challenges, but we have taken so many reforms, and the country is now on the path to the macroeconomic stability and economic growth. And when I talk about the Pakistan-United States relationship, you know, it is a great partnership, and that dates back to the birth of Pakistan in 1947. Just last year we celebrated the 75th anniversary of our diplomatic relations. We have so many, Pakistan's largest export market is United States. And we have so many United States companies, enterprises in Pakistan, people-to-people interactions, and many other linkage. And when I talk about the linkages, our 1 million strong Pakistani American community is the biggest factor. Our community is a great asset not only for Pakistan, but you are playing a very important role in shaping the social, economic, and cultural landscapes of this region and the United States. So you are actively contributing in the socio-economic development of the both countries. I would like to encourage you to continue to support both countries, and through your philanthropic thing, through your innovation, your entrepreneurship, you are enriching the culture and economy of both the countries. That's a great relationship. You should continue. and just believe in the strength of our relationship, in the strength of Pakistan. And I would like to request you all to renew a commitment on this very important occasion. Pakistan, Zindabad.
Very lovely. Save a balloon for me too, please. I want a balloon. All right. We are also honored to have Ms. Samreen Khan among us this evening. Ms. Khan is the first Pakistani and first Asian to be elected on the school board for District 64 Illinois Department of Healthcare and Family Services and manage the COVID-19 program statewide. I would like to invite Ms. Samreen Khan on the stage.
ہمارے کمیونٹی کے بہت پرانے we all love him.
For inviting me here, including being part of the program. I'm a proud Pakistani American. I serve on the U46 school board, and I've been.
We are happy to present a proclamation for you that honors 76 years of independence. Our countries have so much in common. We all know that struggle of fighting for independence. America has a few more years, but together, collectively, we work to ensure that we retain that independence, that we all prosper, and it doesn't stop. I look forward to being here with you many years to come. So, if I can get this right, Pakistan Zindabad.
Zabardast. محمد آصف بھائی ہیں ہمارے ساتھ 14 اگست کے پروگرام میں خوشیوں میں شریک ہو رہے ہیں. محمد آصف بھائی یہاں پہ اسٹال لگایا ہوا ہے غالباً کیسا لگ رہا ہے اور کیوں آپ نے لگایا آصف بھائی؟
آج انڈیپینڈنٹ ڈے کے انہوں نے خوشیاں منا رہے ہیں, ہم بھی شاید پارٹیسپیٹ کر رہے ہیں, دیکھیں انجوائے کر رہے ہیں, خود بھی
celebrate, enjoy our food.
ویسے بھی آنا تو چلو لگا لیتے ہیں.
ہاں تو یہاں کتنی دیر سے آپ آئے ہوئے ہیں؟
میں یہاں پر دوپہر کو آیا تھا تقریباً 12 بجے اور رات 9 بجے تک ہے. رہیں گے انشاءاللہ 9 بجے بج جائیں گے انشاءاللہ.
آپ کو پتہ ہے نہیں ٹیکنالوجی جو ہے بہت کام کی چیز ہے. اس کو علماء نے اب جائز قرار دے دیا ہے, لہذا اس سے نہ جھجکنے کی ضرورت ہے اور نہ شرمانے کی ضرورت ہے.
بالکل صحیح بات ہے,
کیونکہ اس کے ذریعے آپ اچھی بات اپنے دوستوں کو, اپنے محبت کرنے والوں کو اپنی پیغام پہنچا سکتے ہیں. تو اس میں ہرگز نہ جھجکیے گا. یہ اب ایسے ہم تو سالوں سے کہہ رہے تھے کہ ٹیکنالوجی پہ مسلمانوں کا حق ہے. جتنی بھی ٹیکنالوجی دنیا میں آئیں گی اگر اس میں اللہ کے ڈائریکٹ حکم کی خلاف ورزی نہ ہو. اچھا لگا. ہاں ماشاء اللہ. کوئی پیغام اگر دینا چاہتے پاکستان
سب کو پاکستان کی آزادی کا دن آج مبارک ہو, اور دلی طرف سے میں مبارکباد دیتا ہوں سب کو, اور انشاءاللہ تعالیٰ دعا کرتا ہوں کہ ہمارے ملک کو اللہ تعالیٰ حفظ و امان میں رکھے, وہاں جتنی پریشانیاں مصیبتیں ہیں وہ ختم فرمائیں, اور ہمیں توفیق دے کے اپنے ملک کے ساتھ محبت بھی کریں
اور اتحاد کے ساتھ رہیں. آپ کیا کہیں گے, رہنا چاہیے؟
पाकिस्तान को पाकिस्तान जो है ना एक
नेमत है दुनिया पे,
नेमत है और एक ख़ास मकसद के लिए पाकिस्तान बना था और मुसलमान उम्मत को इकट्ठा करने के लिए और मुसलमानों को बेसिकली गाइड करने के लिए और इन अल्लाह ताला ने पाकिस्तान से ख़ास काम लेना है, इस वजह इससे पाकिस्तान कायम किया गया था और इंशाअल्लाह अल्लाह ताला वो लेगा। अब ये टाइम है, ये ऊपर नीचे होता रहता है, हमें ना उम्मीद नहीं होना चाहिए और अल्लाह ताला से उम्मीद रखनी चाहिए और कोशिश करनी चाहिए। इंशाअल्लाह पाकिस्तान कायम व दायम क़यामत तक रहेगा और अल्लाह ताला की ज़ात एक ख़ास काम इससे लेगा और गाइड करेगा सब मुसलमान उम्मत को और सब जो है ना इसको फॉलो करेंगे इंशाअल्लाह।
हम मुसलमान आपस में मुत्तहिद रहें, पाकिस्तानी किसी सियासतदानों के चक्कर में ना आए, अपने लोगों के साथ वेलफेयर करें
और अपने हमें एक नेक और सही जो लीडर चाहिए और अल्लाह ताला से उम्मीद है कि इंशाअल्लाह एक वक्त आएगा कि अब आहिस्ता आहिस्ता मिच्योर हो रही है कौम, एक वक्त आएगा कि अच्छा लीडर पाकिस्तान को अल्लाह ताला जो है मुहैया करेगा।
आमीन। जैसे अवाम हो गए वैसे अल्लाह लीडर देगा,
जैसे अवाम है वो इंशाअल्लाह अल्लाह ताला बेहतर करेगा। अवाम अच्छे हैं और उम्मीद अच्छी रखनी चाहिए और कोशिश करते रहना चाहिए और ना उम्मीदी कुफ्र है और अल्लाह एक वक्त आएगा कि पाकिस्तान जो है ना वो लीड करेगा और जो खामियाँ हैं वो इंशाल्लाह ख़त्म हो जाएगी, हम करेंगे।
आमीन। पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद। इसको अगर आप देखना चाहेंगे, आप फ़ोन है आपके पास? जी जी।
Good night and congratulations and have a great day.
Good evening. Kimberly Jones, trustee, Main Township. I want to thank Asif and everybody for coming out tonight. Welcome. Hope you're enjoying the afternoon and evening, and congratulations on 76 years of independence. I want to say thank you to my good friend Asif. He's a wonderful person and he does a fantastic job. Look at all of you today having such a good time on this special occasion. My name is Assessor Susan Pride. I'm at Main Township and maybe I've seen you at my office. I help with your taxes on your property tax. Have a good evening and thank you Asif again.
Thank you. To see culture come together, and this is what it's all about. So thank you for allowing us. We're so happy to celebrate with you 76 years. Look forward to seeing 76 more. Continue to do what you do, serving your community and helping others. Thank you for what you do and your commitment.
There's never been a Pakistani American elected to Congress. Now we change up by working together. My website is www.qasimrashid.com, and my commitment to you is to uphold a sense of justice for Pakistanis, for Americans, for all people. Thank you for your support. I look forward to having it, working together, and winning this election and making history. Jazakallah. Assalamu alaikum.
And last but no, I want to acknowledge Mansoor Lakhani, Lakhani Hospital, the president. We welcome him to the Pakistan Independence Day Culture Day program. Mr. Lakhani, thank you very much. I also want to acknowledge and thank my team for their hard work, support and encouragement in making this event successfully. God bless America. Thank you.
Let's see some moves and cool moves. Our first performer, and I just met him today, quite impressive, and a performer at the international level. He performed at a global stage with global artists such as Sonu Nigam, Kumar Sanu, and among others. And his song that he sang many years ago, I Love My Pakistan, was the best debut album and was given a Nagar Award, which I believe is the highest award given by Pakistani film industry. So ladies and gentlemen, make some noise!
Make some noise.
I don't hear any noise. Make some noise. Put your hands together. And a big round of applause for Aziz Varsi.
ये वही है जो हमारे ہمارے پاس آئے تھے. جو ہم جس کا ہم نے انٹرویو لیا تھا تو یہ وہی ہے جو ہمارے پاس آئے تھے.
السلام علیکم. اس کا مطلب جلدی بڑھانا چاہتا ہوں. آپ سب کو آزادی بہت بہت مبارک. اور ہمیشہ لاسٹ ٹائم بھی میں پاکستان کی اس ریڈ شو میں آیا تھا اور بڑی خوشی ہوتی ہے آگے اصلی پاکستانی ریڈ مائک 1 اور مکس 4. تھوڑا سا مجھے ٹائم چاہیے. بینڈ کو صرف اچھا جی پہلے ایک بات ٹھیک آپ کو سناتا ہوں. تھوڑا سا ایسی حرکت حرکت ہے. اس کے بعد سب مل کے گئے آزادی ایسی نہیں. کہانی سناؤ کیا؟ ہلو کہانی سنیں گے؟ جس میں نہیں بولا اس کو تو ضرور سناؤں گا اور وہاں آپ کو سناؤں گا. السلام علیکم. اس کا مطلب جلدی بڑھانا چاہتا ہوں. آپ سب کو آزادی بہت بہت مبارک. اور ہمیشہ لاسٹ ٹائم بھی میں پاکستان کی اس ریڈ شو میں آیا تھا. بڑی خوشی ہوتی ہے آگے اصلی پاکستانی ریڈ مائک 1 اور مکس 4. تھوڑا سا مجھے ٹائم چاہیے.
Chicago. There is a lot of
اچھا جی پہلے ایک بات ٹھیک آپ کو سناتا ہوں. تھوڑا سا ایسی حرکت حرکت ہے. اس کے بعد سب مل کے گئے آزادی ایسی نہیں. کہانی سناؤ کیا؟ ہلو کہانی سنیں گے؟ جس میں نہیں بولا اس کو تو ضرور سناؤں گا اور وہاں آپ کو سناؤں گا. السلام علیکم. اس کا مطلب جلدی بڑھانا چاہتا ہوں. آپ سب کو آزادی بہت بہت مبارک. اور ہمیشہ لاسٹ ٹائم بھی میں پاکستان کی اس ریڈ شو میں آیا تھا. خوشی ہوتی ہے آگے اصلی پاکستانی ریڈ مائک 1 اور مکس 4. تھوڑا سا مجھے ٹائم چاہیے. بینڈ کو آپ سب کو آزادی بہت بہت مبارک. اور ہمیشہ لاسٹ ٹائم بھی میں پاکستان کی اس ریڈ شو میں آیا تھا. بڑی خوشی ہوتی ہے آگے اصلی پاکستانی ریڈ مائک 1 اور مکس 4. تھوڑا سا اچھا جی پہلے ایک بات ٹھیک آپ کو سناتا ہوں. تھوڑا سا ایسی حرکت حرکت ہے. اس کے بعد سب مل کے گئے آزادی ایسی نہیں. کہانی سناؤ کیا؟ ہلو کہانی سنیں گے؟ اچھا جی پہلے ایک بات ٹھیک آپ کو سناتا ہوں. تھوڑا سا ایسی حرکت حرکت ہے. اس کے بعد سب مل کے گئے آزادی ایسی نہیں. کہانی سناؤ کیا؟ اچھا جی پہلے ایک بات ٹھیک آپ کو سناتا ہوں. تھوڑا سا ایسی حرکت حرکت ہے. اس کے بعد سب مل کے گئے آزادی ایسی نہیں. اچھا جی پہلے ایک بات ٹھیک آپ کو سناتا ہوں. تھوڑا سا ایسی حرکت حرکت ہے. اس کے بعد سب مل کے گئے آزادی ایسی نہیں. کہانی سناؤ کیا؟ ہلو کہانی سنیں گے؟ جس میں نہیں بولا اس کو تو ضرور سناؤں گا. تو کیا سمجھتے ہیں؟ لیکن مجھے پتا ہے کہ ہماری جو آڈینس میں مجھے ایکسپیرینس ہوتا ہے بہت انجوائے کرتی. ساتھ مل کے ایک گانا گاتی ساتھ مل کے ساتھ انجوائے کریں.
گانا گا رہے ہیں لیکن ہم شکاگو میں 14 اگست کے پروگرام decent song. Song is good, but music too much noise. Hurting.
शिकागो में 14 अगस्त के प्रोग्राम.
You can see this gentleman, and mostly you can watch those happy people.
के प्रोग्राम.
See, he's my friend. He's going there. He's seeing that, see, he's going there and talking. I'm going to him, to see him. He's webbing, he was singing.
शिकागो में 14 अगस्त के प्रोग्राम.
Continuously moving. This is a part of enjoyment, buddy.
शिकागो में 14 अगस्त के प्रोग्राम.
Slow because I don't want to summarize. Watch it too, very carefully, nice. People are running behind. People are behind. Two people in front of me and I'm back off. See what is doing. Actually singing.
शिकागो में 14 अगस्त के प्रोग्राम.
See this old nanny, but
शिकागो में 14 अगस्त के प्रोग्राम.
this is good. I hope so. See, everyone, maybe. Actually, this is an event for 14th August Independence Day. Look, people absolutely happy. Happy people every day. Just watch them and enjoy. If you have any comments, you can give me. I can upgrade myself. See,
शिकागो में 14 अगस्त के प्रोग्राम.
among families, clapping. See, you can clap too.
Members of the Pakistani American community,
Moving somewhere.
organizers of today's event,
Looking at those people.
everyone, good evening. It is my great pleasure to join you in the Pakistan's Independence Day celebration, and I would particularly like to recognize the efforts of Mr. Asif and his colleagues for organizing this mega event and gathering so many people from different sections of the society.
Know how to mix up.
Ladies and gentlemen, as you know,
Very socialized.
this is a great day in the history of Pakistan. We are celebrating the 76th anniversary of Pakistan's independence.
Please stand up.
August 14 has a special place in the hearts of every Pakistani,
Positive attitude.
and it reminds us the countless sacrifices and epic democratic struggle of our founding fathers and their workers
For Pakistani people,
who
but
fought
here
for
is
their
not only
freedom,
Pakistani people, some
and
white
they
people
achieved
too.
a separate
Some
homeland for the
American
Muslims of
people you can see
subcontinent.
here. Mostly children
We
born
pay
here.
homage by remembering all those sacrifices,
Majority
and
children, they
when
will not
we
visit
celebrate,
Pakistan, but they love
we see,
Pakistan.
we also
We should
reflect
love
on the
because this is
achievements
our
that
identity,
Pakistan
but whatever
made in the
politics
last
going on
76
there,
years.
we don't care. But
We confronted
we are
with
enjoying.
many natural
We
disasters,
like to
conflicts,
See, I'm with him too.
and wars,
because,
but the
I'm
nation
making
emerged
the video.
always as
That's
stronger
it, done.
with their resilience
Now
and
we
courage.
go to stage.
Pakistan, as you know, enjoys
Now
a very important geostrategic location.
go
Its
up
humans and natural
very close
resources,
to stage.
its demographic dividends, its democratic
If you
traditions,
have time, you must visit
and
my channel.
liberal
You can
investment
see a lot
policies
of
makes
enjoyment
it a very
in
important
video.
business destination in the world.
People are clapping.
And I would also encourage you to visit Pakistan because it presents so many tourist
New
destinations.
to the channel.
Its peaks,
If you
its
like, you
majestic
can
peaks
share.
and mountains, rich cultural heritage dates back to the Berber civilization of 7,000 years ago.
The
Then we have the
Independence Day.
Indus Valley civilizations.
In Chicago,
There is the Harappa and
people
Mohenjo-daro.
are here. Mostly
And
people,
so many to see. The hospitality of the
they
people
came
of
from
Pakistan.
different
So we have very easy visa
different
procedures. I would encourage all of you to visit Pakistan.
places like you can
Pakistan
suburb, you can
is
say
facing
suburb.
certain challenges.
And this
Macroeconomic
is the
challenges.
discipline. Basically,
But
typically,
we have
this is the
taken so many
discipline.
reforms, and the country is now on the path to
Some
the
participate
macroeconomic stability
are
and economic growth.
somewhere
And when
else.
I
This
talk
guy,
about,
he came from Pakistan, and he's a
about the
specialist singer.
Pakistan-United States
Actually, he is.
relationship, you know,
If
it is a
people
great
know
partnership.
about Moin Akhtar,
And
he
that
was
dates
his
back to the birth
friend,
of Pakistan
Moin
in
Akhtar's
1947.
friend, and he's a
Just
singer
last year we
too.
celebrated the 75th anniversary of our diplomatic relations.
Lot of
We have
participants
so
say
many,
that they're all my
largest,
friends.
Export
All
market is United States.
overseas
And we have so many
Pakistani,
United States
they are
companies,
enjoying
enterprises in
here,
Pakistan, people to
and
people
they
interaction,
love to enjoy. They
and
love
many
to.
other linkage. And when I
And
talk
this
about the
is not a
linkages,
small show.
our
Very
1
big
million
show,
strong
my dear respected
Pakistani
friend,
American
of
community
unity
is
with
the
our
biggest sector. Our community
Pakistani,
is a
American,
great
and
asset
different
not only
countries
for
people
Pakistan,
are here too.
but you
They are
are
all,
playing a very important role
see,
in
this is
shaping the
music,
social,
instrument.
economic, and cultural landscape
See,
of this region,
people are
the
sitting
United
here.
States.
How
You are
people
actively
look
contributing to the
like
socio-economic
happy.
development of the both countries. I would like to
Our
encourage you to
Independence Day.
continue
This is
to support both countries, and through your philanthropic things,
This
through
is
your
a
innovation,
wonderful
your
event.
entrepreneurship, you are enriching the
We
culture
dedicated
and
this
economy of
rally
both the
to
countries.
our
That's a great relationship. You should continue
Pakistani
and just believe
and
in the
American
strength
and
of
other
our relationship,
countries,
in the
brothers
strength of
and
Pakistan.
sisters.
And I would like to request you all to renew a commitment on this very important occasion. Pakistan,
see,
Zindabad.
that's called socialize. Girls making video too. Everyone, see, this is me. I did not have time to show myself. Now, he's my friend too. See, I saw my thumbs up. Now keep going. If you know background of Pakistan, my dear respected friend, I can talk a little bit. The separation in 1947, 14th August 1947 of British India into the Muslim state of Pakistan. Here was two Pakistan, East Pakistan and West Pakistan sections, and largely Hindu India was never satisfactorily resolved,
Share a balloon for me too,
and
please.
India and
I want a
Pakistan fought two wars, majorly fought two wars, and a limited conflict in 1947.
We are also
In 1948, that was minor war, but major war was
We are
1965
also honored
and
to have Ms.
1999
Khan among us this evening.
Kargil war,
Ms. Khan is the first Pakistani and
respectively
first
over the
Asian to be elected
disputed
on the school
Kashmir
board for District 60.
territory. Kashmir is a great one issue. A third war between these countries, third war between India and Pakistan in 1971, and that was more conspiracy. Some traitors was involved, like Yahya Khan, like Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, and other politicians. They were not sincere. They were not sincere with Pakistan and Pakistani people. Third war was in 1971, in which India assisted
Members of the Pakistani American
and
community,
indigenous
organizers of today's events,
movements like Rakha Bahini, Mukti Bahini, actually Bengali people, not all public, but some regime, India was supporting them and supporting their movement, reacting to the marginalization of Bengalis in Pakistani politics. Resulted in East Pakistan becoming the separate nation of Bangladesh. Unfortunately, this is not appreciable because you got freedom and you lost life. If you getting freedom is not piece of cake. As the sun rises on the 14th of August, Pakistanis across the nation, across the world, and I will say Pakistani across the America, stand united hearts, swelling with pride and joy as they
epic democratic struggle of our
they commemorate the 76th anniversary of their hard-fought independence. It is a day when the air is thick with
when we celebrate, we see
patriotic.
We also reflect on the achievements that Pakistan made in the last 76 years.
Who are patriotic? We are all Muhabbe Watan hai. Forward and the streets echo the harmonious strength of national
Pakistan, as you know,
anthems.
A very important geostrategic
This
location.
annual celebration
Humans and natural resources.
2023 annual
Demographic dividends.
celebration
Democratic traditions.
is not just a historical
Liberal investment
milestone.
It
It is a reminder of the struggles.
I would
A
also
lot of
encourage
people
you to,
die
visit Pakistan
because of
because it presents so
Pakistan
many
independence.
tourist destinations.
It is a reminder of the struggles and sacrifice made by countless individuals, countless people, my dear respected friends, who believe in the dream of a free and prosperous Pakistan and prosperous Pakistan, and as the nation comes together to honor this spirit, one community, I wish the farmers of Pakistan stands out as they encapsulate what hope commitment, wada, dedication and selflessness are all about Pakistan. This message and the role that farmers play in driving this country forward.
आप सबको जश्न आज़ादी बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो. And can I have a Pakistan Zindabad? Pakistan
Zindabad.
One more time. Pakistan
Zindabad.
Good evening and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Khalid Khan and I'm honored to be your MC this evening, in this very windy evening. A hearty and warm welcome to you all on behalf of CARE and PURE.
ये पतंगबाज है भैया हमारे.
And our resolve and tenacity was certainly put to the test. And here we are at the end of the tunnel, and once again we light. And light always prevails over darkness. Today, we Pakistanis mark 76 years as a free and independent nation, and that is indeed a reason for celebration. Tonight, we come together to commemorate, appreciate, and celebrate ourselves, our freedom, our nation, and our country without political, linguistic, economic, and social barriers. Tonight, we are a united people, as it was intended at the inception of Pakistan. And our resolve and tenacity will certainly put to the test. And here we are at the end of the tunnel, and once again in light. And light always prevails over darkness. Today, we Pakistanis mark 76 years as a free and independent nation, and that is indeed a reason for celebration. Tonight, we come together to commemorate, appreciate, and celebrate ourselves, our freedom, our nation, and our country without political, linguistic, economic, and social barriers. Tonight, we are a united people, as it was intended at the inception of Pakistan, a free and sovereign nation for all. Pakistani American community is vibrant, productive, proactive, and an integral piece of the American mosaic. We as a community are active participants and contributors in all spheres of civic life, including business, education, healthcare, just to name a few.
Example.
As we enjoy the liberty, prosperity, and opportunities of our adopted home, we must never forget our roots. For only strong roots yield strong trees and abundant fruits. It is now my pleasure to present to you the President of CARE and PURE, Ms. Manoj Chakar. Ms. Manoj Chakar is a businesswoman, a contributing
hero driving the wheels of progress.
Good evening and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Khalid Khan and I'm honored to be your MC this evening, in this very windy evening. A hearty and warm welcome to you all on behalf of CARE and PURE.
ये पतंगबाज है भैया हमारे.
And our resolve and tenacity will certainly put to the test. And here we are at the end of the tunnel, and once again in light. And light always prevails over darkness. Today, we Pakistanis mark 76 years as a free and independent nation, and that is indeed a reason for celebration. Tonight, we come together to commemorate, appreciate, and celebrate ourselves, our freedom, our nation, in our country without political, linguistic, economic, and social barriers. Tonight, we are a united people, as it was intended at the inception of Pakistan, a free and sovereign nation for all. Pakistani American community is vibrant, productive, proactive, and an integral piece of the American mosaic. We as a community are active participants and contributors in all spheres of civic life, including business, education, healthcare, just to name a few. As we enjoy the liberty, prosperity, and opportunities of our adopted home, we must never forget our roots, for only strong roots yield strong trees and abundant fruits.
Time is short.
It is now my pleasure to present to you the President of CARE and CURE, Ms. Manoj Thakur. Ms. Manoj Thakur is a businesswoman, a contributing member of the South Asian community. She gives back to the community through CARE and CURE organization, meeting individual needs at a grassroots level. So I would like Ms. Manoj Thakur to say a few words.
All participating each other, enjoying with people.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Reminded that the resilience of these farmers is the driving force behind the Pakistan. Relentless advancement. The significance of